Hello, I'm Peter Reynolds, and this is the Limb Preservation Tool app, which was developed for Dr. Humphreys at the UC Davis Health Vascular Center. The first thing you'll do after opening the app is select the patient that you want to work with, which you can change at any time from the main page.
Hi, I'm Melissa, and I'll be showing you the Wi-Fi test, which is a classification system used by the doctors in order to find out more information about a patient's wound. It stands for wound, ischemia, and foot infection, as these are the three main grades that one enters. Each of these categories fall between a range of 0 and 3, and if you forget how to grade anything, there are these buttons here to show you more information. The ischemia grade can optionally be calculated with these bottom three categories here, but I've gone ahead and entered in a score for us. Once we've hit everything in, we can go ahead and see our risk for amputation and revascularization. And once you're satisfied with that result, you can go ahead and save that to your patient's page.
Hi, I'm Jeff, and I'll be explaining the computer vision aspect of our project. Once you've selected the patient you're going to take a new wound photo for, you select Take New Photo. The following page is a list of instructions that should be followed as closely as possible to ensure accurate results are obtained from our computer vision algorithm that is run on an AWS EC2 server. Once you've read the instructions, you press the Take a Picture button again to take the wound photo, as Sean will now demonstrate.
Hi, I'm Sean. I'll be demonstrating photo taking and different ways of examining the photograph. Once you enter this photo interface, press take a picture, and you will be able to put your measuring elements on the top of the camera and the wounds under it. You can now directly examine this picture, and you will be able to have a clear result if you have a not noisy background. But alternatively, if you're now trying to examine the wounds and a noisy background, it will not show the correct results because of the interference that is troubling the computer vision algorithm. So what you do is use the highlight detail module and use finger to finger paint the part of the photo that you are interested, and try to use only one stroke at a time. And you can also preview the results and see if you like it. If you don't, redo it. When you're satisfied with it, you can now save it. And now do the examination. If the area that you highlight or clarified is well defined enough, you can get a really good measurements. You can now save your results into the patient records.
After you've saved measurements for a patient, you can then click on View Wounds to review those measurements. Selecting one of the wounds will display graphs for each of the measurements you've taken: wound severity, ischemia, wound size, and foot infection. You can also select one of the dates that data was saved to in order to see the specific measurements that on that date. All measurements are saved locally in a database on the phone and can also be deleted from within the app.